the STI, we installed brand new BC Extreme Low coilovers as well as the TE37s. What do you guys think? I feel like the STI looks so sick with the coilovers, the track stance, big tire, and the new wheels. I'm loving it so far. I feel like the look is so aggressive. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen that yet, be sure to check that video out. Today we got a new STI video. This is something I've been really wanting to do, and I feel like it is one of those things that every single WRX/STI needs bad. But yeah guys, as far as the exhaust setup, for all you guys who have been watching the channel, you guys know we have the carbon single exit catback. Guys, next week we are actually doing a giveaway for a free carbon exhaust. Every order that's placed on Border Supply is actually gonna be one entry to win a free catback for your WRX or STI. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that we are doing that giveaway. We're gonna be having literally brand new embroidered t-shirts, as well as some hats. I don't have them right now, but they're actually getting made right now as we speak. So new hats as well as embroidered t-shirts. That should be super cool. Stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, well, if you know, then you know the VA, WRX, or STI. You guys know that these stock speakers are terrible. Stock ones are so bad. The higher you raise the volume, I feel like the worse like the bass gets. It's so weird. I'm a big fan of music, blasting music and everything, and dude, these ones are just not it. We definitely have to fix that today with the kicker door speaker upgrades for the front and the rears. Those speakers are pretty much full replacements for the OEM front door speakers, as well as the ones in the back. So I'm hoping it makes a very big difference. I did upgrade the head unit. This is the iDoing head unit. That did make a sound difference, a little upgrade in sound quality from OEM, but it didn't do the trick. I definitely think it needs a much bigger upgrade, such as full door speakers. I would love to do a full subwoofer setup, just like go all out on subwoofers, but that's honestly more complicated than doing door speakers. So first we're gonna upgrade this and see how it goes. I don't know, honestly, as I grew older, I've learned to appreciate just like good OEM quality like sound from like speakers. A lot of my friends have BMWs, and dude, their stereo systems hit just from the factories. I've learned to appreciate setups like that. So I'm hoping that the kicker upgrade does that. So let's go ahead and pop out all the door panels and get started on the door speakers. Alright, for the front door speakers, it should be super simple. Jeez, all these freaking hair ties. Shout out to my girlfriend for leaving these in here all the time. Yeah, there are these little covers for the screws. So there's one behind the handle, and then there's another one right here. Take those screws out, and we should be able to just pop off the whole entire panel from there. You can easily access the front speaker. We got one screw at the top, one screw towards the bottom, and the last one at the bottom as well. I think that's it. Oh, just like that. Super simple. So we have the stock OEM speaker right here. This is not the upgraded Harman Kardon that comes with some of the STIs. Base, you know, normal stock OEM speaker compared to the kicker upgraded or OEM upgraded speaker. I'm excited for these. These are freaking like couple pounds, and these are honestly low-key heavy, so I feel like this is definitely gonna be a nice upgrade. Super easy to put in, so let's go ahead and do that. Honestly, if I wasn't filming, that probably would have took like 2 minutes. Looks like the rear is the same. We have the same one down on the door handle, and then another screw behind the handle right here. Door panel is off. Same style, we got 3 screws on the speaker. This time the plug is on the back. Oh, go ahead and squeeze that. Dude, I hate these plugs so much. They're so simple to take off, yet it's like not simple. Dude, these weigh like nothing. Literally, it's so crazy how freaking cheap these feel. But yeah, comparison, surprisingly the stock one looks much deeper, but dude, these just feel so cheap and they weigh nothing. Alright guys, these were the coilovers that were on the FRS. If you guys missed the last video, we actually took those coilovers off and we installed the new universal air suspension on the FRS for SEMA. So that was the last video, but right now we're actually taking a quick break from the door speakers. Pretty much almost done with those, super easy. But we're actually selling these coilovers right now. So we're gonna meet up with the guy, gonna take the BRZ. All that's left really is the tweeter speakers, I believe these are called, but this is for later. That cold start never gets old. Always a vibe driving the BRZ. Ever since SEMA, it's gonna be a hard choice, guys. Once the FRS is done, dude, this is a vibe, but I feel like once the FRS is done, dude, that's gonna be such a vibe as well. Coilovers are now sold for the FRS, just got back. I low-key love doing those like little like driving clips. I put the camera down on like the sidewalk and just like drive past. I gotta like leave my camera on the side of the road, drive past it, come back and pick it up. But anyways, they're super fun shots. But yeah, let's go and finish the install for the STI. Like I said, all that's left are these little tweeter speakers. I think that's what they're called. Same brand by Kicker. Actually installed the passenger side already. Takes like 2 minutes, so let's do it. Pop out this panel. There you go. Literally 2 screws. You're gonna need the little short screwdriver because as you can see, there's barely any clearance with the windshield. Let's go and test these out. It's much louder for sure. Bro, these are pretty good, not gonna lie. First impressions, it's not crazy, but dude, it sounds really good compared to stock. Like, I feel like this is definitely how the car should have sounded to begin with, like from factory. I don't know, if you want like a clean setup and nothing too crazy, kind of like OEM-ish style like speakers, I definitely think you should upgrade to these Kickers. But if you're looking for something like crazy bass, I definitely feel like you should go with a subwoofer. If you guys know, like, dude, like if you turn the volume up with the stock speakers, like it's weird, like the volume goes down in a way, but this one sounds good. I'm excited to actually drive with some good sounding music. As far as like a simple clean setup, I feel like these are a good 9. The bass could be higher, but it's honestly there and it's better than the stock setup. Sick, because you can actually like blast music now. Like before, like I said, the volume, the bass just like goes away with like the stock speakers. This, you can actually play music like super loud. Like you can actually blast music in. Yeah, this is our vibe. This is Oscar. I feel like I never show him in the vlogs. My little boxer though. Well, not really little anymore. He's like 7 years old, I think. As long as I had the FRS around that time. Yeah, I feel like I never show him. Sit. He's like awkward. Boxers are so awkward. They like give you this side eye. Watch. Look. They just like side eye you. How are you? He's getting old. It's my little shadow. He follows me everywhere. Little updates, really. So we got WeekFest LA coming the weekend of October 15th. So we're actually bringing both the STI and the BRZ if all goes planned. Got my booth spot for Border Supply, so we are going to be dropping a couple designs over at Weekfest. Some new stuff that I've never done, like little accessories like keychains. But yeah, if you guys are close to LA, be sure to pull up. It's going to be so sick. It's always fun having a booth and just bringing the cars and meeting all you guys in person. So the weekend of October 15th, I'll go and put it right here on the screen. That's an event that I'm looking forward to very much. Drive the STI. It's his first time driving the STI. He's driven the FRS and the BRZ, but I'm gonna see what he feels like. Oh wait, no, that's something wrong, bro. Hey yo! I'm gonna see what he feels like. Hey yo! I figured we did. He already stalled it. Hey, let go of the clutch? Yeah. This car's easy to drive. Aw, snap. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, it's a little different, like the all-wheel drive. So first impressions though. Is it easier? Yeah, it reminds me of the FRS. Okay. That first, yeah, the gearbox kind of. Ah! Oh! Dang it. There you go. Oh my god! Oh, you're good. Oh, hey, chill! Yo! This car's looking quick. You got some what? I thought I was in third already. Yeah, there you go. I'm not trying to have a money shifted. I feel like you got it though. Like the basics, driving. What? All concentrated. Yeah, I'm trying. I don't want to stall, bro. Alright, so you like the FRS or this one better? I like the dang it, I like the FRS. Look. You like the FRS better? I don't know, but the STI is like it's clean. Bro. It's like it wants to like go fast. It's like I'm not ready for that, bro. It's not that fast. Oh, shoot. Oh, yo, dude, it's torquey. Bro. It's torquey for the passenger seat. Oh, shoot. Yo, gunning it. The STI is smooth, bro. Yeah, I like it. I like the way this car drives. I'm in the Nissan Versa now. This is actually Henri's rental car. If you guys didn't know, his car pretty much got destroyed by someone that wasn't paying attention. We had just finished building, or not finished building, but we built his Civic, bags, wheels. Someone literally crashed into it a few days later, which is crazy. We got some big news coming for him soon. This is gonna be a future video, probably within the next week. I can't reveal too much, but big news coming for him. I'm gonna get some rollers of the STI because I have not seen the STI with the new wheel setup. I'm excited because I have not seen the STI being driven with the new wheels and the coilovers, so let's get it.